Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is COSORI Air Fryer. This is a modern air fryer. You will experience next level cooking experience with the COSORI Dual Air Fryer. 8.5 liter family size, a powerful and a versatile kitchen companion designed for modern household. This 8-in-1 air fryer features dual baskets and advanced cooking technology that allows you to air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, grill, and use the sink cook and sink finish modes to prepare multiple dishes at once. With a generous 8.5 liter capacity, it is perfect for families, making meal time faster and more efficient without sacrificing flavor or texture. The COSORI Dual Air Fryer is engineered for speed and energy efficient, helping you cut down on cooking time while using less electricity compared to traditional ovens. It got non-stick basket that ensure easy food release and hassle-free cleaning, while the sleek modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The sink cook function allows both baskets to cook the same dish simultaneously, while sink finish ensure that two different meals finish cooking at the same time, giving you perfectly timed result every time. With a temperature range of 40 degrees centigrade to 230 degrees centigrade and customizable settings, this air fryer offers precision control for a whole variety of recipes. It also comes with 5 essential accessories, including a crisper plate, cooking rack to enhance your culinary experience, plus access to over 50 online recipes, helps you discover new meals and elevate your air frying game with ease. Whether you are preparing crisp fries, juicy chicken, or dehydrated snacks, the COSORI Dual Air Fryer delivers healthier cooking with less oil and maximum flavor. We're going to unbox this air fryer, check it out, and see what is inside. The manual, COSORI User's Manual. Prepare your kitchen and your appetite. Nice packaging. Is a rack, 2 of those. This is skewers, 5 of those included. can see what it looks like. And the power cable is attached to it. This is the power cable. Before you get started, there is a packaging inside. Before plugging it in, remove the basket and discard all packagings. Remove the packaging. So this is the stuff inside that you need to remove. And see. And they can see through the glass. So this is R is written on this side, right, and this one is left. See. This goes here. So this can be, it's non-stick pan, and this can be washed. So these are the rack. Baking rack is this one, and this one is skewer rack. This is crisper plate. Crisper plate, two of those. Baking rack. Skewer rack. So it's touch screen. You can see you switch it on and off from here. Brilliant stuff. These are the control panel. So you select the temperature by selecting temperature and time. So if you select temperature or time, you change, you can see 19.5, which is temperature. Then this is time. Use minus or plus to select the actual unit that you want. If you want to select the temperature, for instance, select, this is temperature, then you select plus to increase it. Then if you want to decrease it, then you select minus. If you want to select the time, then you select the temperature unit. Okay, you can see it's showing us 14 now. If you want to increase the time, okay, you can see it's gone to 17. So you select the time and temperature from this. And L is for you to select the left side. Switch this on and off from this button. This is the light. sync finish and sync cook, preheat, shake, bake, grill, dry, air fry, roast, reheat. The same thing is applicable on the right side. This is cook sync. Switch the lights on and off from this button. Then this is for you to select on the right. The same thing is applicable, temperature and time. You select temperature or time, then look on top for you to select the particular time and temperature that you want. Then this is for you to start or pause from this button. But you need to select, let's say if you want to select the left, then you select left. Once you select left, then you select start. COSORI 8-in-1 air fryer. This deserves your attention. So this is the unboxing and overview. Thank you very much indeed.